Now, this is probably one of the most important lectures of this entire course, and that is how to go viral on YouTube. This entire section is going to be about video virality and how you guys can actually go viral on YouTube from doing some of the most simplest things, okay? Now, I know a lot of you guys are probably sitting there like, man, getting 1 million views sounds hard. Man, getting over 1 million views sounds even harder. And I can honestly tell you guys, it is the most simple thing in the world. Now, some people get millions of views on one video. Some people get millions of views with videos added together. It is not hard to get a lot of views. You just have to understand what the trends are, what videos are doing well, and follow that. I'm going to teach you guys one simple key that is going to help you guys go viral from doing any kind of video. Now, a lot of people will tell you, do not chase viral videos. Now, that is a good note and a good tip, but at the same time, it's not. Most people think that it is hard to think of a viral idea, and yeah, think smarter. You guys don't want to think harder. You guys want to go ahead and look at something that has already been done, okay? Now, there's this one trick on YouTube that most people don't know, and it's right in front of your face. If you guys want to be a very successful YouTuber and gain a lot of views, you have to look at the past. You have to look at people who have already done it. When you guys are looking at a mentor like me, I'm teaching you guys how to do something. You guys want to go ahead and learn how to do it. So what you guys will do is, if you are making any kind of videos, no matter what kind of video it is, I guarantee you it has already been done, and it has been done successfully, and it already has views. So for instance, if you wanted to make a video about Fortnite, yes, Fortnite is a very popular game. It is one of the most popular games in the world, and there is a million different types of videos you can come up with Fortnite because there is so many different niches within that Fortnite gaming community that you guys can go into. But you guys are probably thinking, how could I go viral if there's so many channels that already did? Well, look at all those channels who already went viral. You can literally go look at every single video and see exactly what you want to do. Mimic it and make it your own and do the same exact results, okay? There's so many videos on YouTube and different dishes that you can do as well. If you are knitting clothes, or you are riding a bike, or you are playing sports, there's so many different creators out there who have already become successful in your niche. All you have to do is follow them, look at who they are, see what they are doing, and mimic the process, and you guys will become successful as well. That's pretty much how you go viral these days. If you do have an original idea, yes, sometimes you do go viral from doing that, but the chances of you going viral off an original idea is a lot harder. So what YouTubers usually do is, for instance, Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast is a trendsetter. He creates original ideas. He has become a very successful YouTuber from his original ideas. So most YouTubers who are doing the same thing that he's doing copy his titles and copy the way he does things. Now, copying just every little thing that a YouTuber does is not very good to do, and you shouldn't do that. And I'm not promoting that you go copy a different YouTuber. I'm just saying, if you see somebody who has a very great original idea, who's very successful on YouTube, think exactly like them, especially if it's the same thing you want to do. Do something similar to what they're doing and go ahead and see the results. You guys will see that you will become successful. Most YouTubers who start from nothing go off of somebody that they really enjoy watching, and they basically follow their steps and techniques, and they blow up and become just as big as that YouTuber. So for instance, Mr. Beast posts a video on donating to big popular Twitch streamers. So other YouTubers will follow that. I'm sure you guys have seen multiple videos on YouTube of people basically going and watching those videos and saying, man, I can make this same video and I can do just as well as him. I am one of those people. I made one of those videos before where I basically went to popular Fortnite Twitch streamers and I went ahead and donated them to get just a reaction out of them. And a lot of people really were interested in it. And the video got 1 million views. And I saw that video on another channel of a great friend of mine's, and he went ahead and did it, and so I did it, and we got the same exact results. Sometimes it happens just like that. Now, most of you guys may say, well, how can I do that if I don't have any subscribers? Well, I'm going to be showing you guys something very, very funny on YouTube that you guys are going to see. And this is going to show you guys that subscribers do not matter, okay? If you are trying to go viral, you do not need 1 million subscribers. You do not need 100,000 subscribers. Man, you don't even need 10 subscribers. You just need a very good video idea, a very great trend, and you guys will blow up. For instance, let's take the Popeyes chicken sandwich. The Popeyes chicken sandwich was one of the most popular chicken sandwiches to come out. Everyone was talking about it. Popeyes made a ton of money from it. The lines were super duper long. You guys understand that that was a very trendy topic. So if I made a video about the Popeyes chicken sandwich that everybody is talking about, but nobody else on YouTube has made that video. I've never made a YouTube video before, but I just wanted to put my experience out there to show everybody how the chicken sandwich tastes, if it is the best chicken sandwich in the world, or it's just a bluff and everybody is just hyping it up. If I was the only person to upload a video about that chicken sandwich, I would have had 1 million views in less than a day, because that chicken sandwich was so popular outside of YouTube that people on YouTube who actually watch YouTube every day, who want to go try that chicken sandwich, will most likely look it up on YouTube to see if it is all hype or it is just a really great chicken sandwich. That is something very simple. If you guys understand that today, you will become a very successful YouTuber. There is a ton of videos you guys can do about trendy topics like sporting events or even media, politics. There's so many things you guys can do. Video game updates. There's so many things you guys can do. If you do it first, you will blow up on YouTube and you will get a lot of views, and you won't even have any subscribers to do so. Now, you don't have to do something like that to be blown up on YouTube. You guys can do something original like a compilation video, or maybe just something that you think is really cool that nobody has done, or you did and somebody else did it but you did it better. You guys will still blow up. It's not very hard. You just have to have a really good idea that is very, very popular to somebody's eye that'll make them click on the video. Subscribers do not matter. When I watch a YouTube video, when you watch a YouTube video, you don't look at how many subscribers somebody has. If you need to watch a video on how to fix your car, you don't look at how many subscribers that person has. You're watching that video to learn how to actually fix that car, because you need to get to the place that you need to go, and or it's a regulation and you just need to have your car fixed before you drive it. So you're not going to be looking at any views, you're not going to be looking at any likes, you're not even going to be looking at the comment section. You're going to be watching that video for what you came to watch it for. And that is just a simple fact that you guys do not need subscribers to blow up and go viral on YouTube. Now, I'm going to show you guys a few examples on the screen here. You guys are going to see exactly what I'm talking about as far as you do not need subscribers to go viral. So one of the most popular topics on YouTube is compilations, okay? Now, with compilation videos, there's so many types of them. There's funny videos, there's fails, there's people doing just the most outrageous things, and it's just a lot of clickbait titles with it. But you guys will see how these people are going viral and they don't even have subscribers, okay? So number one right here, you guys can see Epic Machines. He posted this 5 months ago. He has the 15 or top 15 most videos that are being watched in 2019. He made a compilation of the most viewed videos and he got 5 million views, okay? Funny Vines 1 year ago, okay? And you guys can see this is a verified YouTube channel and it's under somebody who's not even verified. I'm just gonna click on the channel. I'm going to show you guys that this channel probably doesn't even have that many subscribers. Now, it's not sharing the subscribe count, but I can tell you guys that this channel probably doesn't have a lot of subscribers because last week, their video that they posted last week only got 7,000 views. So that video that they posted was probably their most popular video, and that's why it went viral, okay? Now you guys can see here, if I keep scrolling down, CatTuber, what could go wrong? The ultimate best fails compilation, CatTuber, okay? Let's click on this channel. This channel has 1.1 million subscribers. Now, most of these subscribers probably clicked on a video to watch it, but you guys can see just because you have 1 million subscribers doesn't mean you're going to be getting 1 million views a video. You guys can see right here that this person has 1.1 million subscribers and they only have 150,000 views on their last video, which was 4 days ago. Now they do get pretty good views and you guys can see the thumbnails are pretty like clickbaity and you really want to click on it, but not every single video they post is gonna get that amount of views, okay? So it is a pro and a con of having high subscribers and having low subscribers. When you have low subscribers, you don't have guaranteed views. When you have high subscribers, you have guaranteed views. But anybody can get low views and anybody can get high views. It just takes the certain video that you post, okay? So like this channel right here, Fail Army U, 548,000 subscribers, and their most viewed video, as you guys can see on the channel, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the most popular video, has over 200 million views 7 years ago, and it's just somebody diving into the ocean. It just says the ultimate fails compilation. 215 million views 7 years ago off of this one video, and I guarantee you 7 years ago this channel did not have 500,000 subscribers. It probably had less than 100,000 subscribers, and it was able to pull this many views over time. Their second most viewed video 7 years ago, almost 10 million views. 6 years ago, 5 million. 7 years ago. So 7 years ago, this channel was very, very popular. Now they haven't had a big banger since. It doesn't look like, it looks like it's been about a year since they had a really big, like good video. But this channel is doing very well just for having less subscribers. It doesn't even have that many. It doesn't have nowhere near 215 million subscribers, but they were able to pull that much subscribers off of this one video alone. If you guys go over to the about section of this channel, you guys can see that most of its views comes from that video. 285 million views, and literally like maybe 80% of that actual of this actual channel has those views, okay, from that one video. And this channel started in 2009, okay. So that is the best tip I can give you guys to actually go viral on YouTube. If you are trying to go viral, mimic what somebody has already done. If somebody has already went viral in your niche, then you guys can go ahead and follow their niche and see exactly what they're doing and then make it your own. If you guys see any type of video that you're doing from anything, if it's from teaching somebody how to do something, if you guys want to go ahead and search that up on YouTube, you'll see the person who has the most views of doing a video just like that. You can see exactly what they did, do it similar, and your video will be newer, so it will have a better chance of ranking in the actual engine, and you guys will get more views and you'll blow up and you'll be successful just like that. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this lecture up. I know it was a pretty long one. We're gonna get into the next lecture, and this one is gonna teach you guys how to rank in the search engine so that your videos can have a better chance of going viral.